Bye here. Time for another video of the galaxy. See, I already did the hole you're supposed to make. You're supposed to make 6 holes in your paper. And you have purple crayon. You need purple crayon, yellow crayon, and green crayon. And you also need crayon, and the crayon you need scissors and paper. And now cut the holes in it, the 6 holes. Now take your purple crayon and draw that looks like this, and then take your purple crayon. I think that looks like that, but a little bit smaller. Take your yellow crayon, draw a big circle in the middle with the sun. I think I got it a little bit too big. Yeah, I know. And then take your green and draw around it. By the way, I'm going to use green paper. And with your purple crayon, you draw a bunch of stars. Hopefully this video is not too long for you, or I would just stop recording. I draw billions of stars. I'm not going to draw that much because it will make my video too long. Pig is going to do something. Now take the scissors and draw 6 holes. I'm going to draw 3 more. 9 holes because you need 9 holes. Then what you do is take your green crayon, make a bunch of green stars. Under the green stars can be a solar system. This is our solar system. And then take a green crayon and draw another solar system. Without no star, the star far, far away. No star. No, then even bigger than the sun. A bunch of green lines. Oh, those green lines are going to be solar system planet.